Hello, my name is Jared Britt, and I'm the Director of Aviation Maintenance Training for Southern Utah University. And today I want to talk about testing. SUU offers all FAA Mechanic Examinations on site here in Cedar City. After you complete your third semester of our AMT program, you will be eligible to test for your FAA airframe license. Once you have completed all 5 semesters of the AMT program, you will be eligible to add your power plant rating to your license, giving you a complete airframe and power plant mechanics license in just 5 semesters. SUU's AMT program is designed not only to incorporate all coursework to satisfy the FAA requirements, but also all coursework required to receive our accredited associate's degree in aviation maintenance, all within the same 5 semesters. And that's it for testing. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to answer any questions that you have.